One of the things that we often use for motivation is a lot of external resources, a lot of external motivation, a lot of behavior plans that have some little carrot at the end of it. But for the child who can manipulate that plan, that's not the child who should be on that plan. It's not working for them. For some children, it's a good hook to get into them. For other children who have some cognitive disabilities, that it helps them to really regulate themselves, totally understand that. But for the child who says, I don't like that plan anymore. What do you mean I didn't get a smiley face? I did this the last 5 minutes. That's not the kid we want on that plan. Because that kid is telling me what? That they're aware of what's going on. And if you're aware of what's going on, you can learn to change that behavior. But you only do it with consistent consequences and consistent instruction around that consequence. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.